In a world brimming with kale smoothies and quinoa salads, one nutrient often gets overlooked: fiber. This unsung hero of the nutritional world is like the behind-the-scenes director of your digestive system, quietly making sure everything runs smoothly. Fiber, my friends, is the secret ingredient that keeps you feeling full, fuels your friendly gut bacteria, and even helps keep your heart in check. And the best part? It's found in some of the most delicious foods on the planet. We're not just talking bran flakes and prune juice here. Ooh, no. We're talking about foods that are as tasty as they are good for you. So are you ready to find out which foods are packed with fiber? Let's count them down from 20 to 1. Let's get those taste buds and gut bacteria ready for a fiber-filled journey. Kicking off at number 20, we have, drumroll please, the humble pear. A medium-sized pear boasts around 5.5 grams of fiber. Not only is this fruit deliciously sweet, but it's also a great source of vitamin C. Now, isn't that perfect? Moving into the 19th spot is the nutritious broccoli. Did you know a single serving of this green vegetable contains about 2.5 grams of fiber? Plus, they're loaded with the powerful antioxidant vitamin C. So, next time you're sautéing some greens, remember it's not just a delicious side dish, but also a fiber powerhouse. At number 18, we meet the crunchy, munchy almonds. These little nuggets of nutrition pack in approximately 3.5 grams of fiber per 1 ounce serving. They're also a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein, so go nuts for almonds. Coming in at 17 are blackberries. With almost 8 grams of fiber per cup, these tiny berries pack a powerful fiber punch. They're also packed with vitamin C and K, making them a sweet way to up your fiber intake. And finally, at number 16, we have the mighty lentils. These legumes are not only a terrific source of fiber, with a staggering 15.5 grams per cup, but they're also rich in protein, making them a great meat substitute for vegetarians and vegans. And there we have it, folks. We've just covered the 20th to the 16th fiber-rich foods. We've encountered everything from fruits and nuts to greens and legumes. Each of these foods not only brings a hefty dose of fiber to the table, but also a variety of other health benefits. Moving on, let's see what's next on our fiber-rich countdown. Starting at number 15, we introduce chia seeds. These little yet mighty seeds are not just a healthy addition to your smoothies and puddings, they also deliver a solid punch in terms of fiber content. A single ounce of these seeds contains an impressive 10 grams of fiber. Plus, they are loaded with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that are perfect for fighting off those damaging free radicals. Moving on to number 14, we find ourselves in the realm of avocados. Creamy, delectable, and multi-purpose avocados are not only the mainstay of your favorite guacamole, but also a fiber superstar. One avocado supplies approximately 10 grams of fiber. Furthermore, it's packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats and potassium. At number 13, we have artichokes. This thistle may seem formidable, but don't let its sturdy exterior fool you. Once cooked, it's a scrumptious delicacy with a remarkable 10.3 grams of fiber per medium-sized artichoke. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Number 12 takes us under the sea with seaweed. Now, before you cringe, remember that seaweed is a key ingredient in many Asian cuisines for good reason. It's not only a superb source of fiber with 3 grams per cup, but it's also rich in iodine, which is crucial for thyroid health. Lastly, for number 11, we have figs. They're highly nutritious, containing potassium, calcium, B vitamins, magnesium, and other nutrients. Both dried and fresh figs are good sources of soluble fiber, which slows the movement of food through your intestines, allowing more time for a great nutrient absorption. As we inch closer to our top 10, the suspense is escalating. What could be next? Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the wholesome whole grain. Whole grains are not only jam-packed with essential nutrients, but they're also a reliable source of fiber. 1 cup of cooked whole grains can contain up to 5 grams of fiber. They offer great versatility, allowing you to include them in a variety of dishes, such as soups, salads, or even as a side dish. Marching on to number 9, the nutrient-dense banana. This portable fruit is not only a quick, easy snack, but it also provides a good amount of fiber. A medium-sized banana contains about 3 grams of fiber. It's perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout. At number 8, we find the crunchy apple. These popular fruits pack a fiber punch. 1 medium apple contains about 4 grams of fiber. They're perfect for a fresh, crisp addition to your breakfast or even as a refreshing juice. Advancing to number 7 is the ever-popular oatmeal. A breakfast staple for many, oatmeal is a fantastic source of soluble fiber. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal contains about 4 grams of fiber. Plus, it's a blank canvas for flavors. You can mix in fruits, nuts, or a dash of cinnamon for a fiber-filled start today. And finally, at number 6, we have apricots. Apricots are small, sweet fruits that range in color from yellow to orange, with the occasional red tinge. Low in calories and a great source of vitamins A and C. They can also aid digestion. One study found that eating fiber from apricots had higher stool weights than those who received insoluble fiber alone. So there you have it, our top 10 to 6 fiber-rich foods. These foods are not only delicious but also help you meet your daily fiber needs. Incorporate them into your meals for a fiber boost. We're getting closer to the top spot. What fiber-rich foods do you think will make it to the top 5? Kicking off our top 5 at number 5, we have beans. These small yet mighty legumes are not only delightful, but also crammed with a significant 8 grams of fiber per cup. They're excellent for your lunchtime soup or as a satisfying snack on a chilly winter day. Plus, they're abundant in antioxidants, beneficial for your overall well-being. Advancing to number 4, we have flax seeds. Those tiny golden gems are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. They're not only packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, but they're also a fantastic source of fiber. In fact, just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds contains a whopping 3 grams of fiber, which is about 12% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Stepping up at number 3, we come across sweet potato. Did you know that 1 medium-sized sweet potato contains about 4 grams of fiber? That's an impressive 16% of your daily recommended intake. This dietary fiber comes in 2 forms, soluble and insoluble. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have black beans. Just 1 cup of cooked black beans provides an impressive 15 grams of fiber. They're also a good source of protein and iron, making them a staple in your pantry. And finally, drumroll please, our number 1 fiber-rich food is Brussels sprouts. Don't let their miniature size fool you. Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses, and one of their biggest boasts is their impressive fiber content. These cruciferous vegetables, with their distinctive cabbage-like heads, are more than just a Thanksgiving side dish. They're a versatile and delicious way to add a hefty dose of fiber to your diet, promoting gut health and reaping a variety of other health benefits. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 fiber-rich foods to incorporate into your diet. Remember, fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and incorporating these foods into your diet can help you meet your daily fiber needs. So why wait? Subscribe and start adding these fiber-rich foods to your meals today.